it rain on me, let it rain on me. I don't know if they can understand the way that it feels when you be walking out in the sun, and then it rains down on you, feeling it inside. You don't want nothing else, you don't want to hide. You just want to feel the experience. Put your phone away and let the rain wash over you. Even when the sun rays it, it's okay. Let's just do it every day. Party out in the rain, in the rain. Raining in the summer, raining in the summer.
Yeah, I woke up fresh this morning, ayy, it's a brand new day. Thanking God for all the blessings He been sending out my way. Did I struggle? Yeah, but I made it out through all the pain. And I'm proud to say, I'm a better man than yesterday. Yeah, my hands are gray, but that means I made it. Just to say it, placed some bets against me, but I'm in this grace. And you like Satan, man, my pedigree 10 steps ahead of thee, it's so heavenly. Hold your tongue behind them teeth, if you don't know, then do not speak.
Lord and Savior, you guided me.